Parma, Ohio. Fire Alarm Contractor License Bond. What is Parma, Ohio? Fire Alarm Contractor License Bond. The Parma, Ohio Fire Alarm Contractor License Bond is a type of surety bond required for contractors who install, maintain, or service fire alarm systems within the city. It acts as a financial guarantee that the contractor will follow all local codes, safety standards, and licensing rules. If the contractor fails to comply or causes damage, the bond provides protection to the city or affected parties. Why is Parma, Ohio Fire Alarm Contractor License Bond required? The bond is required to ensure that fire alarm contractors perform their work safely and according to Parma's regulations. It protects the public by holding contractors financially accountable for violations, faulty installations, or negligence. This requirement also helps maintain high standards for life safety systems that are critical in emergencies. How does Parma, Ohio Fire Alarm Contractor License Bond work? The contractor purchases the bond from a surety company as part of the licensing process. If the contractor violates regulations or fails to meet obligations, a claim can be filed against the bond for compensation. The surety may pay valid claims, but the contractor must repay the surety for any losses, making them ultimately responsible. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.